How to add transition to Instagram Reels. Hey guys, in this video I will show you step by step on how to add transition on Instagram Reels. After you open your Instagram app like this now, tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this plus button. Here is it, this plus button. After you select this plus button, all you have to do now, tap on this reel section, select this reel. After you select this reel, all you have to do now, swipe your Instagram like this. So as you can see now, here is your camera. As you can see now, if you want to record the video currently, all you have to do now, tap on this camera icon. If you want to record the video, tap on this camera icon to record the video like this. But if you want to upload the video, tap on this gallery icon to upload the video. So for me, I want to just upload the video. I'll tap on this gallery icon. So now go ahead and search for the video that you want to use. So for me, I'll just go ahead and search for my video. So I'll just go ahead and open the video I want to add transition on it. I want to go with this one. So as you can see, here is the video now. After you select the video or recorded your video, it will take you to this option now. Tap on this edit video section, this one. After you tap on this edit video section, as you can see now, here is now my video clip. As you can see, here is it. Here is now my video clip. So if you want to add transition on the video, all you have to do now, go ahead and cut the video to a place where you want to add transition. Let's say I want to add transition in this session. So all I have to do now, after I place the video in this session, I'll tap on this edit button, this edit at the bottom left side. After you tap on the edit, now tap on this split button. Now I split the video, as you can see now. Now I made the video into 2 clips. So all you have to do now, as you can see now, tap on this section, tap on this button, the plain exit section. So tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this middle of the video, the joint section of the video clip. After you tap on the joint, as you can see now, here it says choose clip, choose transition. So go ahead and choose one of these transitions. So for me, let's say I want to go with this one. After you choose the transition like this one, so tap on this done now. After you tap on this done now, go ahead now and play your video. Let's say I want to now play the video and see how it works. I'll tap on this play button. So as you can see now, my transition is working. So as you can see now, the transition will be working. After you just finish splitting your video and adding your transition, so tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this arrow. So now you can go ahead and add your description and tag people on your Instagram reel, and tap on this share button to post your Instagram. That's it guys on how to add transition on Instagram reel. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.